In this video, I'll show you top 3 methods to fix the slow Wi-Fi speed on your iPhone. Let's begin with the first method. The first step is to go into settings on your iPhone. Go to Wi-Fi. Make sure that Wi-Fi is connected. Now tap on this eye icon. If the low data mode is turned on, then please turn it off. Scroll down. Here you can find configure DNS. Just tap on this. By default, it is set to automatic. Just set it to manual. Remove this DNS server. Add server. Now add 8.8.8.8. Add server. Add 8.8.4.4. This is completely safe. Click on save. And this will fix the slow Wi-Fi speed on your iPhone. This was the method number 1. Now for method number 2, go to settings, battery. If the low power mode is turned on, then you need to make sure that it is turned off. When it is turned on, then it will restrict the features of Wi-Fi on your iPhone. So make sure that you are not using low power mode, and this will fix the issue. This was the method number 2. Now for method number 3, you need to go to settings, general, scroll down. Here you can see transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on this. Now click on reset. Now click on reset network settings. It will ask you for the password and the phone will be restarted. This will fix the Wi-Fi issue on your iPhone. So these are the 3 methods to fix the slow Wi-Fi speed on your iPhone. So that's it about the video, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe to iOS Droids.